Do you eat McDonald's? Do you know anyone that eat McDonald's? If so, you're going to want to watch this video. Guys, McDonald's cheeseburgers has been linked to E. coli.
Begin tonight here with the news coming in. The CDC investigating a deadly E. coli outbreak involving McDonald's.
News on McDonald's this hour. The CDC says it is investigating an E. coli outbreak.
The FDA is looking into two possibilities as a source of an E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's Quarter Pounder burgers. At least one person has died from the illness.
Multiple people has been sick, dozens of people has been hospitalized, and even one person has died. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to break this down step by step and give you and your family the reassurance that you guys need to survive this whole ordeal. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense to your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger today's video. I'm going to break down this McDonald's E. coli situation. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. This is super interesting. McDonald's is joining the list of multiple branded foods that has been linked to having poison or outbreaks of bacteria like E. coli in the food. This article that I found, E. coli outbreak linked to McDonald's Quarter Pounders, is super interesting. The situation summary says the CDC, the FDA, the USDA, and the FSIS and public health officials in multiple states are investigating an outbreak on E. coli infections. Most people in this outbreak are reporting eating the Quarter Pounder hamburger at McDonald's before becoming sick. It is not yet which specific food ingredient is contaminated. So if it can be multiple food items that's contaminated, guys, I will stay away from the whole line of food until this get fixed. I know McDonald's have a lot of loyal customers. I know that you guys love I know you guys love your fast foods. This is America. So, but guys, definitely be careful. People are dying and people are definitely getting sick from these type of foods, these over processed foods. And I don't think that they're going to be safe. You know, a lot of these foods have carcinogens in it, which is cancer producing ingredients, and they're just not good for you. But no, there's not giving conclusive evidence on why the E. coli outbreak happened. They're just saying, and it's just so irritating seeing these companies not be able to have any type of reassurance or any type of notice. You know, you can just eat a hamburger and die just because the proper safety procedures are not done. Obviously, when it comes to the food is not supposed to have E. coli contaminated, and it's just unfortunate to the person who died from it. It also says McDonald's is collaborating with investigation partners to determine what food ingredient in the Quarter Pounders is making people sick. McDonald's stopped using fresh slivered onions in the Quarter Pounder beef patties in several states while investigation is ongoing to identify the ingredient causing illness. But it's not even just the Quarter Pounder. I seen a video of ants. Now, we all know ants eat whatever's on the ground. If you put, you know, a piece of candy on the ground or something like that, ants will cover it up. Now, I seen a video where this lady dropped some French fries on the ground and the ants actually took to the French fries, but they died. They were stuck to the French fries. I gotta take a look at this video.
I went to McDonald's to get my daughter a Happy Meal because she wanted one of those crock collectible thingies or whatever. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take her because she's been a good girl. And the people gave me a large fry by accident, and I didn't want them because I don't eat that stuff or whatever. So I threw it to the birds when I came home. I come back like almost just about 15 hours later or whatever, approximately. I don't know. I'm bad with math. Don't charge it to my heart. Charge it to my head. Charge it to my heart. But I come out here and not one single fry that they gave us is gone. Not one single fry. And then if you look close, there's a bunch of black ants on them. The black ants are stiff. They're dead. Not even moving. So it seems as if they attempted to eat the fries, but in the midst of it, they died.
So as you can see, guys, over-processed foods is nowhere to go. Now, I understand that some people have to do it for convenience issues, but like I said, guys, be careful. Now, the contaminated food items that McDonald's is putting up for question is the McDonald's quarter-pounder hamburger are making people sick, and most illnesses in Colorado and Nebraska, quarter-pounder hamburgers will not be available temporarily in some states, while McDonald's makes some supply changes. McDonald's stores in Colorado, Kansas, Utah, Wyoming, and portions of Idaho, Iowa, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, and Oklahoma have temporarily stopped using quarter pounder sliver, onions, and beef patties. McDonald's is proactively making these changes while investigators work to confirm the contaminated ingredient. Quarter pounder beef patties are only used on quarter pounders. First sliver onions are primarily used on quarter pounders hamburgers and not other menu items. Investigators are working to confirm which ingredient in these hamburgers are making people sick and if it went to other restaurants or stores. What you should do. The CDC is basically saying for McDonald's, I stopped using fresh liver onions and quarter pounder beef patty, blah, blah, blah. Call your healthcare provider if you have severe E. coli symptoms, diarrhea and high fever over than 102, diarrhea for more than 3 days and it's not improving, bloody diarrhea, so much vomiting that you cannot keep liquids down, signs of dehydration such as not peeing as much, dry mouth and throat, feeling dizzy and when standing up, symptoms of E. coli. Most people infected with Shiga toxin producing E. coli experience severe stomach cramps, diarrhea, often bloody, and vomiting. Symptoms usually start 3 to 4 days after swallowing the bacteria. Most people recover without treatment after 5 to 7 days. Some people may develop serious kidney problems, also hemolytic uremic syndrome, also HUS, and would need to be hospitalized. For more information about E. coli, see the About E. coli infection page. Guys, this is super interesting to say the least. McDonald's is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, fast food chains in the country, and for this to actually hit the ground is really, really unfortunate and super scary, guys. I don't eat fast food like that. If I do, it's from like a local mom and pop restaurant or something like that. I try not to eat this stuff because I know what it does and I want to live for my kids as long as I can. Guys, if you found any of this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this. Do you feel like that this is something that's temporary? Do you feel like that this is something that is going to stay? Let me know how you feel about McDonald's. I want to know how you feel about fast food in its totality. Do you eat fast food? How's your experiences when you do eat fast food? Guys, leave it in the comment section. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, this is super interesting, guys, to say the least, man. Stay out of McDonald's. If you have to go somewhere, go to Wendy's. All right, guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.